Hey everyone, well, what a great day. Why? Because we got our engine back, well, the engine case that was getting repaired. Here it is. There's a crack right through here. If you'd watched the previous video you would have seen that. Don't mind this is just some hack prizing the cases open, but the crack's all fixed and repaired. Now, that awesome bit of aluminium welding was done by Greg Wood down at Woody's Hydroblast. Not only does Woody's Hydroblasting do a fantastic job on cleaning engine cases, engine parts, carbies, all that sort of stuff, he is also an excellent welder of aluminium and like cases and stuff like this. You cannot get any better. So that's a plug to Woody. Thank you very much, mate, for doing it so quick for me. Now, the other thing that I got you here for today, before I assemble it, I'll just show you these. I've just backed this one off a little bit. These are the studs that hold the oil pump on an A10. So the oil pump sits here, crank obviously comes out here with the gear on it, and when you have to remove the oil pump, it is a real pain in the butt. So you've got one or two things to do, right? So old timer mate of mine showed me, let's cut a slot in your studs. Get a grinder with a nice thin cutting disc on it and just cut a slot across the tops. So that way, if you ever got to take the oil pump off, you take the nuts off and then use a screwdriver and just pull the stud right out. So you pull this one out and this one out and then just drop the pump out of the way of the gear. Easy to remove. Or do what I'm going to do. I'm just replacing them with Allen bolts. So that's another easy way to rectify the problem. That way, very easy to remove the oil pump and to swing it out of the way or take it right off without having to jiggle it past the gear. So once we've done that, what I'm going to do is start reassembling the engine, and then we'll get the bottom end back into the frame, and then put the barrel on, the head on, all the rest of it. So that's what's coming up next.